Hello, good day and welcome to Joso. My name is Edwin, and on this video we'll be introducing you to the latest SinoGNSS receiver. So here is a Jupiter Laser RTK receiver. So it's a new product that's in the market now and it's very wonderful. So inside the box, this is the rubber box. Inside the rubber box you have your receiver, you have your charging cables, type C charging cable. One is for the receiver, one is for your data logger. It has two charging adapters, which is the charger heads, and then you have your GNSS connector. This is your whip antenna. If you are working from base, if you are working with base and rover, you need your whip antenna to connect the both of them. Also, this is your clip for your you use it to clip your data logger to your pole. So it's called the pole bracket. And then you have a data logger. So this is the R60 SinoGNSS data logger. It's very fast, very easy to use, and very convenient, and very rugged as well. So this is what comes with your Jupiter receiver. Also, apart from the receiver, you have your flash drive that you can use to copy data from your data logger to your system, and so on and so forth. For the receiver, this is the receiver, and then it has a NFC feature, so you can just easily scan with your data logger and then it connects automatically using Bluetooth. Apart from connecting with Bluetooth, you can also connect with Wi-Fi for clear AROs taken out. So if you want to use the camera feature of the receiver, you need to connect using Wi-Fi. Now, the receiver has an OLED display, so it's not just lights that are blinking. It has an OLED display, so it has a screen that shows colors and features and other stuff that you can do using the receiver. And at the back you have the laser pointer, and then you have the camera. So this laser goes up to 50 meters, and then you can use the camera when you're using the laser to do staking out of points that are inaccessible. So it's very wonderful, right? And underneath you have another camera that you can also use. This one shows you direction to the point and then the distance when you are doing staking out with the bottom camera. This one uses the laser and the camera for setting out at the same time. So very wonderful. It has an inbuilt battery, so you don't need to bring out the battery, and then with the battery you can work for a stretch of 2 days without even charging. On a single charge, you can work for 2 days on a single charge. It won't go off while you are working. It has the USB port where you use for charging. You can use it to copy your static data from the receiver, and then it has the antenna port where you connect your whip antenna if you are working with your base and your rover. Also, apart from the receiver, the data logger is here. Very fast data logger, connects automatically. It has a 64 gig inbuilt storage and then a 4 gig RAM storage. So it's very fast when you're connecting or transferring or using it even for browsing. So these are the features of your Jupiter Laser RTK receiver. So we hope that you follow us on our social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, and on LinkedIn, and as well on our YouTube channels. We hope that you subscribe, you can like and share, comment your suggestions about this video, and also what you'd like to see on our next videos. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.